Thanks so much for staying with us for the weather report and forecast. Now, when I look at satellite imagery, we can see that frontal system, that cold front across the Atlantic, a distinct line extending from the Atlantic into the Western Caribbean, a broad area of clouds with some isolated showers behind the frontal system affecting sections of the Western Caribbean, Cuba, also the Yucatan and into the Gulf of Mexico. Now, there is still movement with this frontal system. It's expected to be stalling just towards the west of the Jamaica area late tomorrow, going into early Thursday morning, and we are expected to see an increase in clouds across the central portions of the Caribbean as a result. Now, the forecast for tonight is for partly cloudy skies. We expect temperatures to drop to 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston and to 23 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. Expect winds to be averaging 5 knots on both coasts. Now, in the morning tomorrow, we're expecting generally fair conditions across most of the area, but there are some clouds that are expected to affect sections of the northeast, and we also have some isolated showers also expected, while for the afternoon an increase in clouds and showers is expected right across the island. Temperatures are reaching 31 degrees Celsius both in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Now, we expect partly cloudy conditions, but we do have showers and thunderstorms expected in the afternoons in Mandeville, Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar, as well as Negril, Lucy, Montego Bay and Falmouth. Also across sections of the north, we're expecting cloudy conditions with isolated shower activity in Brownstown, St. Anne's Bay, Ocho Rios, as well as Port Maria and Port Antonio. Expect similar conditions in inland Grange Hill, Duncans, as well as Cay Valley, Richmond and Moortown. Now, the next few days, continued cloudy conditions are expected on Thursday and Friday. We also have strong winds blowing across the region. We expect on Saturday that the winds are beginning to relax, and we also have isolated showers across sections of western parishes, mainly in the afternoon. Now, the winds on the north tomorrow, they're northeasterly at 15 to 20 knots with wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, we're expecting an east-northeasterly wind at 10 to 15 knots as wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. While for offshore areas, winds are east-northeasterly across sections of the south, wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. And the outlook, for the sunset time in Kingston tomorrow is at 5:59, while the sunset at Negril Point is at 5 minutes after 6. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.